Well, Idaho Springs Water Company is a bottled water company. We do water distribution throughout southwest Idaho and central Idaho. And so we've been at this now for just a little over 20 years.
When I first met Craig, he shared with me some of the things that are important about their fleet, that it's a reliable operation, something that's going to rarely break down, a truck that's going to represent them well, that the trucks are quiet, they hold up well. Our Kenworth T270 is a premium truck. It is quiet, it's a very nice cab, it represents well, it's more fuel efficient.
It's the Kenworth truck that we've been running for the last several years now. The drivers are really happy with them. They are comfortable. I think that plays to our advantage. I mean, a lot of my competitors don't run as nice of trucks or newer trucks like we do. I think that helps us retain employees and drivers because they like the equipment that they're using, the convenience of it, and it just helps them do their job. PacLease has done a fantastic job of providing us with a modern product, getting us product on time when we order it, and getting it the way we need it configured. And then as far as the service and maintenance go, they've done a fantastic job of keeping our fleet on the road when we need it there.